Hey, what's going on, YouTube? What's going on, fellow investors? Being a YouTuber or a content creator, and I do have podcasts as well, you often hear people, especially nowadays, talking about, I want to start a podcast. And people now don't buy albums or CDs or cassettes or 8 tracks. Everything's digital now. When you get the music, it could be digital. You're looking at your podcast, everybody got one. And while I am focused on my career and the Points Blank Network, my network and podcasts and YouTube and all that, I thought about something a little different. Where's this stuff being played at? How are people getting this stuff? And lo and behold, I came across the central location. And now we're talking of Rod's Alley because I want to be invested in the people that are providing the digital music. I don't care about downloading any digital music. I want my podcast to do well, but at the end of the day, let me get a piece of the pie, baby. And today we're going to be talking about Spotify, ticker symbol SPOT. That's Sam, Paul, Oscar, Tom, SPOT. And we're going to just look at the overall stock and see if it's a good investment for your portfolio, a good investment for my portfolio. And at the end of the day, man, we're just going to see if we're about to get paid. Hey, do me a favor. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. Hit that bell notification so you don't miss out on future content, live streams of videos. Hit the thumbs up. Hit that like button. We're looking to get at least 50 likes on this video, man. The more we get engagement, the more people like the video, if they really like it and take the time to click it, it'll be pushed out to people that may be looking for information like this, and it could be someone you know. With all that being said, let's get paid, baby. All right, we're going to be looking at my Robinhood account, and one thing I like about Robinhood is you can buy fractional shares, meaning you don't have to buy $653 one share of Spotify. You can have $10, $20, $15. And the sole purpose of this channel is to show people how to invest on a budget. If you only have $5 to $20 to invest, Robinhood is going to let you do it. Rod's going to show you how to do it. And here we are. We're going to look at some of my investments. And please keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for educational, informational purposes. Only make sure you do your own research before investing any of your hard-earned money. All right. Let me go over here to Spotify and see what we're doing. It is currently, like I said, trading even $653. It's red today, man. Oh, man. Lost $1.12 or 0.17%, 0.17% down today. Man, and people that just start tend to say, oh, man, I lost money on my stock. And that's good because that let me know you're engaged with what you have. And losing $1.12 is just like making $1.12, or it's just like making 120. I want to make money. I don't want to lose money. But what I want to tell everyone is don't panic. Don't get frantic. Don't go sell your $10 or $15 or $100, whatever you had, just because you lost. And you're going to see why I say that. So let's go down here. I'm not going to do the 1 week, the 1 month, and the 3 month because I don't want to start getting people in the habit of thinking in 3 months they want to sell their stock. Now, if you're losing half your money, you can do like I do, let it ride. Hopefully it go back, but then I do have a certain threshold where I would say, okay, enough is enough. Let me just sell it. But what I want to focus is right here. Year to date, we all know that the year has been rocky. As of this date, this recording, May 28th, or I think it's the 28th. And we're going to go back from January 1st to now, year to date. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Spotify is up $202 year to date. Everything else was losing money. Your big dogs, your Microsoft, your Amazon, your Googles, your Apples, everybody, Berkshire Hathaway, everybody was losing money. But I guess why everybody was losing money, they was listening to some sad songs or doing something or maybe making podcasts on how much money they was losing because Spotify went up 44.92%. All right, we rolling with Rush. Some people might say, hey, I'm going to take a little profit there. Rod going to let it ride. What has it done in the last year, man? Now, keep in mind, past results is not an indicator of future results. But in the last year, It's up 112%, up $346. Hey, what do I say? I'm riding the wave, baby. I got a surfboard. I can't swim. I got 2 life jackets on, and I'm riding the wave. Now, all right, this gonna be a keeper, at least until this whole digital music thing. When they come up with the next thing, this may have to go. But until then, we gonna ride the wave. 5 years. What has it done in the last 5 years? Ladies and gentlemen, up 240.1% or $461. For every share I would have owned, I would have made $461. Man, I'm not going to get bored. As you can see, I have a little small. Now, I use this account for YouTube and showing everyone that you can't purchase on a budget, but I do have Spotify and other accounts like Fidelity and my JP Morgan Chase account. Now, my average cost is $615. The price is $653. If the average cost is lower than the price, that let me know I'm making money. I can take the time to calculate it, but not on the video for the sake of time. My market value is up $10.93. Today, the total return I made 62 cents. I'm up 6%. I don't really get caught up in how much money I'm up. I look at the percentages because it tells me, Rod, if you had more money, this wouldn't be 62. If this 10 would be 100, maybe it'd be $6.20. Or yeah, if this here was 1,000, what would it be? And so I look at percentages. Keep that in mind. It is 0.64 of my portfolio. Now, what is Spotify? Spotify technology engages in the provision of digital music services. It operates through the premium and ad-supported segments. So it engaged in the provision of digital music services. But they also say, hey, you can find this podcast on Spotify. I was wondering what Spotify was. I didn't even know what it was. But that was when I didn't know what a podcast was. Now, the only thing I'm going to look at here is 2 things. Assets under the market capitalization or assets under management and the dividend yield. Right here, this little line, it doesn't get a dividend. Okay, I have plenty of other stocks and ETFs that do. Market capitalization, $133 billion. It's $133 billion that believe Spotify is a good company. So I'm not going to get into the rest of those numbers. I think that should be it. And yeah, it is. But that's what I like to do, man. I like to research and take the research away from you guys having to do it and put it out there while I do it. I show you what I think is a good investment. And then we talk about it. I shoot a video and then you decide if it's a good fit for your portfolio. That's how we roll over here with Investing with Rod. I want everyone to do me a favor, man. Again, hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future content. Share this information with someone you know, just one person, but explain to them, hey, this guy's telling you how to buy stocks, buy ETF, buy crypto on a budget. You don't even have to have $100. You don't even have to have $20. You can have $5. Surely you got $2. And let's get this information out there, man. We talk about generational wealth. Let's get there. Let's not talk about it. Let's be about it. Also, hit that thumbs up. I already said that. And make sure you do your own research. Have you ever heard of Spotify? Do you currently own Spotify? Did you even know they had a stock? Have you thought about it but not invested in it? Please put it down in the comments below. I'd love to hear about it. I want to see who else been making money. I'm just getting started with Spotify, but I want to hear from somebody that's rode the wave all the way from last year, man, 5 years ago. You know, that's what I want to hear. But anybody, drop your comments. Let me know what you're thinking. With all that being said, hope you have a blessed and prosperous week. Hope everybody's enjoying themselves. I will be coming at you soon, dropping more heat, dropping more fire, dropping more knowledge, showing you how to invest on a budget. As I end each and every video or live stream, shoot for the moon. If you don't make it, you'll be amongst the stars. I can guarantee you, baby. See y'all later. Hope you have a good one. Peace.